Standby tayo ha. Okay na tayo lahat?
Okay na.
Standby.
Okay na guys, mag-start na. Okay? Start na. Okay, start! Rolling 1, 2, 3, stop!
Everybody here today, despite the unprecedented attack against the Senate last night, I will address all other issues in an hour when I get all the official reports. I'm waiting from the reports from the PNP, from the side of the investigation ni Sec. John Vic at saka ni Chief PNP Narcanes. I will discuss with you muna yung receipt ng article of impeachment, articles of impeachment. I just want to address one issue. So may umiikot sa internet na kinonfirm daw ng PNP yung statement daw ni Chief of Staff Bronner that it was my security guards lang daw ang nakaputok. That's fake news. Since last night, when Sec. John Vic came here, we've been hearing conspiracy theories from both sides. One side, that it's the government that attacked, and the President called me, President Bongbong Marcos, and assured me it wasn't government. Okay? But I told him our concerns about the NBI. So, and I told him, I thanked the President for the immediate call. I informed him that we're safe at that point in time, and I informed him of the inconsistencies in statement ng NBI. But I told him I agreed with Sec. John Vic for a joint independent investigation. Bakit joint? Kasi jurisdiction to ng OSAA at ng Senate. On the other hand, I was already aware at that time na all the way to the highest echelons of government, may nagsasabi that ito ay gawa-gawa. So the accusations are all over. So in the same manner that the PNP, the AFP, mabilis sila mag-deny pag may fake news against the government, the administration, inaasahan ko na mabilis sila mag-deny na fake news against the Senate President, and against the integrity of the whole process. The investigation is ongoing at meron na arresto last night. Okay? Di lang namin nilalabas yung detalye because once you say three-letter words, di ba? Once you say that it's a certain agency, may conclusion na kagad ng tao na government o hindi. Kaya nga independent and let's not jump into conclusions. Okay? So by the time I meet you later, it's about an hour, I'll meet muna the 150 top officials of the Senate. I will give you more details about that. I also ordered the sergeants at arms to go to the offices and check kung nandyan si Senator Bakula and to give me a spot report dun sa reports na umalis ng 2:50 a.m. There are many questions there. I will answer all of it later.
For now, can you say, sir, it's not a diversionary tactic, sir, para paalisin si Senator Bato? Yung kasi yung makalagay.
100%. I mean, I can tell you honest to goodness, none of the senators who were here last night knew that was going to happen. And the shots were fired from both sides. I mean, you have the videos, guys, and even before umalis si Sec. John Vic, may sa kabila daw may talaga. That's why I asked for access sa kabila side of the video. He said, yes, I am. But let me go to the articles of impeachment. I'll be very transparent. So I'll sign before you a letter. I'll give you a copy, but of course, i-transmit ko muna. I will read it to you. The Honorable Faustino Boji D. III, Speaker, House of Representatives, Batasan Hills, Quezon City. RE, Articles of Impeachment against Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte. Your Honor, the Senate is in receipt of the resolution setting forth the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte, including all annexes thereto, transmitted by the House of Representatives. Pursuant to Rule 1 of the Senate Rules of Procedure on Impeachment Trials, the Senate has taken proper order of the impeachment and shall immediately proceed to its consideration. consistent with its mandate under Article 11, Section 3 of the Constitution. The Secretariat has been directed to include the articles of impeachment in the calendar for ordinary business for referral to the impeachment court, which shall be convened on 18 May 2026, 3 p.m. or at the possible soonest time, absent any question on the rules and procedure related to the transmitted articles. The parties shall in due course be directed to appear before the Senate sitting as an impeachment court on a date to be determined subsequently. We trust the foregoing is in order. Thank you. Very truly yours, Alan Peter Cayetano, Senate President. Copy furnished the Honorable Zara D. Duterte, Vice President, Republic of the Philippines. So we'll send this.
Sir, bakit sir na pirma? Sir, picture.
Nakikita ko yung SNS, President Peter Cayetano, kayo kaya weekend pa na lang ng dokumento, saan po, check point sa at kailangan sa Senado. Instead, hindi tapos na matanggap ang articles of impeachment ng Senado kakapos.
Let me
Senate
tell
President.
you more about the Monday na sa order of business, di ba? Ibibigay sa bills like any other. Yung majority leader, acting majority leader, yung kanyang i-represent. No? The likely scenario is we will organize muna the Senate so may mga committees. Take that up. From the majority side, kasi nagtulong kami kagabi, I don't see any amendment. So if there's going to be any, I'm not saying there will be, I want to be clear, I'm not accusing anyone of delays. I'm saying it won't come from the majority kasi nag-meeting kami kagabi. We are happy with the former rules. Ano yung good na rules kaya sa mga dating na-impeach, good din sa amin ngayon. So, kaya lang, hindi ko matatanggal yung marapatan ng bawat senador na tumayo. Ang problema, madidelay kung babaguhin pa yung rules kasi ipapublish public yun. But from the majority, that's why sa letter, I just wanted to be safe. Sinabi ko doon on Monday or the soonest time or fourth week, no? If everyone agrees on the rule, I do not see any reason why hindi kami makapag-convene sa Monday. So ano mangyayari pag nag-convene? And then may motion to convene, ako muna mag-vote as presiding officer of the impeachment court and then yung 23 na senador. After that, our job is to issue the summons. Okay? And then from that time on, kung simagot na, di ba, under na yung process. I'll brief you more about the process later on. And probably, kung hindi Monday mismo or Tuesday, we will have a co-host para yung calendar. So the biggest issue for me is the balancing between the legislative work given the mga crisis na humarap. Kung maganda takbo na ekonomiya and we don't need any urgent legislation, pwedeng mag-90-95% sa impeachment court. Unless nga sabi ng mga senador, pwede pa rin, bilisan na lang. But you know, madaling yung sarili mo lang inasahan mo. Halimbawa, Alan, bilisan mo kapag punta ng Senate. Alan, bilisan mo yung sulat. That's under my control more or less. Diba? But when you say it's a trial, you cannot stop both sides from presenting the number of witnesses na gusto nilang sabihin. So, madaling sabihin, bilisan, at madaling sabihin, it will finish by this month or that month. But all of those will be approximations.
So,
Okay, any questions?
kung din po as impeachment court, yun talaga for date. Pero how about the trial proper?
When is the latest trial going to
Plans
happen?
to convene and issue the summons. Diretso.
Can you trial proper SP?
Court, yung trial proper po ay after all the procedures.
Yeah. Susundin mo lang yung number of days. Kung walang delay yung ano na sa rules, ano na constitution.
Sir, the trial proper maybe in June, sir, the trial proper? July?
I don't want to preempt the calendar. But if it's 15 days, so we will follow. Actually, what we're doing now after the meeting and seeing, we're gonna make a draft calendar.
Sir, wala
So
na
the calendar will not be based on anything that is discretionary. It will be based on objectivity. So kung nakalagay sa rules, ganitong number of days para sumagot, this number of days sumagot, then trial na kagad.
So, kung ngayon ang sagot, SP, doon sa sinabi na yung pagpapalit ng liderato ng Senado ay para ma-block yung impeachment trial.
Again, I'm trying to get United Senate. Unprecedented yung attack against the Senate. First nung Monday na hinabol sa loob, hinabol sa loob ng Senate ang isang senador, ginulpi ang isang member ng SAA, and then last night, the armed attack on the Senate, unprecedented yan. Diba? So, I'm trying to unite the Senate, the senators as people, by just simply following the law, the Constitution, our rules, and what is right. Diba? So, sabi ko naman sa inyo lahat, dalawa lang libro ko, yung Bible, yung Constitution. Everything else follows. Even the Constitution for me has to follow the Bible. Diba? Having said that, we will follow. So walang magiging delay. I can tell you anything now, as you asked, diba, kailan yung trial. So if I have the trial July, August, pwede delay ko.
Offhand lang, SP, for you, trial po ba ay dapat araw-araw, Monday to Friday, or MWF? Offhand for you, what would you suggest?
Either Monday to Wednesday or Monday to Thursday. Definitely hanggang Friday because you need a motion day. Diba? So, and the question for me, the bigger question to me, is it Monday to Wednesday whole day,
Okay.
and then Thursday may committee hearings, or is it Monday to Thursday, half day hearings, half day, ano, so definitely mag-extend kami, diba? So kung dati, nag-hearing ka either 9, 10 o'clock hanggang 2:45 or 3, and then 3 to 7 or 8 yung ano, nagagawa naman namin sa budget yung magdamagan eh. But remember, I think mga 2 weeks yun eh,
Yeah, but you
magdamagan. So I don't think kaya naman yung magdamagan ng 2 months, di ba?
2 months.
I don't know eh. I don't know. Depends kasi kung ilang witnesses, depends sa articles. That's why I don't want to speculate.
Pero SP, yung convene sa Monday na to talaga. Magko-convene na.
In my letter, we're bound by that. Sa focus, agree kami lahat. There's no reason whatsoever to dilly-dally. Okay? Having said that, syempre, kung may nag-bring up na ito yung mga ganyan, etc., bukas na yan or whatever ganyan, baka magbotohan. But so far, yung aming present, ang sinasabi, there's no reason why not to convene and take our oaths on Monday.
So just to be sure, you are asking the prosecution team to be here on Monday for the...
It's their option.
To what, sir? To report, sir, about the articles of
Hindi,
impeachment?
kasi
Ganun po ba?
tinignan ko yung dating proceedings. The article itself is the presentation. Di ba? So, actually, they can or cannot be here. Kasi the articles, dahil yan naman yung, kumbaga yun yung asunto, yun yung charge sa'yo. So, ang process, yung summons, para sumagot naman yung
Who will read the articles of impeachment? Who will read the articles of impeachment? The prosecutor or kayo po sa Monday?
Sa Monday, malamang yun yung,
Major.
yung pagbigay nga namin sa Mayo. Pero, the impeachment court has a life of its own. So, depende sa mga motions na maganap doon sa impeachment court. May proceed.
Wala na pong debate about the convening.
On our side, wala. On the majority side, wala. Hindi ko alam sa minority.
Pero SP,
Diba? I'd like to consult them, but I only see them on Monday. Medyo busy sila ngayon na tinatry kausapin yung mga membro namin na sumali ulit sa kanila.
So may coup attempts na naman, sir? Against you naman ngayon, sir?
Suggest, ano naman?
Who told you that, sir? From the majority?
Oo.
Na kinakausap nila, sir?
May invitations to talk, may pananakot. But, dati na silang takot eh.
But your 13 is solid. But your 13 is solid.
You're always solid until you're not. But I believe in the 13, I believe in our cause.
SP, sino nililagawan nila?
Hindi ko pa nakakausap lahat kasi nagyayaman na meeting, di ba? Sabi ko, trabaho muna tayo, magtawagan na lang tayo. Because, you know, that's the nature of, di ba dati kasi ano, you have 3 or 4 major newspapers, maybe 4 major news networks, then maraming tabloid, maraming radio. Ngayon kasi with SOCNET, anyone can say anything. Diba? Anyone can interpret anything that way. So, yun lang ang challenge ko sa'yo. Diba? Trabaho o politika. Diba? So, my only choice is to do the work, then be completely honest with you. So in an hour, I will be completely honest what happened and where the investigation will actually begin. At ulitin ko lang ha, PNP, AFP, lahat, NBI, hindi tayo magkakalaban, we're one government. But we have to respect the judiciary, the same manner the executive, but also respect the legislative department. So in the same manner, kung may fake news, I expect them to address that immediately.
Sa iba nag-focus po ang majority black about sa impeachment. So, wala mo bang uusbong? Wala kayang surprise ang susupport ng motion from the majority black para pag nag-convene na kayo sa impeachment court ay ipa-dismiss yung articles of impeachment?
So, you always talk in the realm of probabilities and possibilities. Okay? In a collegial body, there's always a possibility. Kahit sa minority. Kahit sabihin nung before the oath, hindi impartial lahat, meron gusto mag-dismiss, meron hindi, etc.
Pero was it
So
discussed?
I can only discuss with you my point. I cannot talk for everyone. I can tell you kung ano na pag-usapan, and everyone said we should have the trial, and there's no, walang isa man nagsabing hindi mag-trial. So I can only answer myself.
Sa 13.
I will act in accordance with the rules. There always has to be legal grounds, and I will decide based on truth and
Doon
evidence.
sa 13, walang nagsabi na
Well, sa 13, walang nagsabing
ayaw mag-trial.
Ayaw mag-trial.
Senator Robinson. Senator Marcoleta, sir.
Magagang pananampayan ni Senator Bato ang pagiging Senator Judge ng walang panganib o risk na
I'll answer all questions, Senator Otto mamaya, but quickly, I hope so.
Okay.
Hindi ko hawak yung attendance at yung, di ba? I hope ma-resolve ng korte. Kasi pag wala namang threat kay Senator Bato, gusto naman niya pumasok.
Thank you guys.
Marami. That's normal.
But from the minority.
Parang pagsakay sa kotse, hindi yan yan, hindi mo bawal.
Pero kung makausap ng minority bloc, from the minority.
Sir, kabilang ba dun sa kinakausap ko?
Kailan, sir? Kailan sir nagsisimula yan? This morning. Kaya sabi ko naman dun sa kausap ko, sabihin mo puntahan ako, sumali sa amin.
Pero yung pagkausap na nagsabi sa inyong kinausap sila.
Yeah, I'll address that later.
Sir,
Expect that. I mean, magulat tayo kung wala. Di ba?
SP kayo rin po may kinakausap kayo na sumama sa inyo. So kayo po may kinakausap din po ba kayo na sumama?
So far, lahat ng kausap ko was in public, yung kantsawan sa floor. Tapos yung kausap kong isa kanina na nag-creation ng dalawang pangalan, dalawang senador, na kaibigan ko pareho. So sinabi ko sa kanya, hindi ko na masabi ito yung pangalan. Sabi ko sa kanya, sabi, kung gusto nyo, sama ako. Tapos sumama ka sila sa
Pero yung
kanya. Nakawalan siya.
pagkausap sa mga kasama niyo, sir, ay para pumunta sa kanila sa kabilang bakod.
Hindi. Sila ang nagyayang pag-usap.
Yun nga, sir, yung from the minority bloc.
Kaya kami hindi nakapag-usap last week kasi minsan may kasama ko pala na ako. We considered naman fake news.
Anong klaseng pananakot?
Matalino naman kayo eh.
Okay, thank you. Okay na tayo. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay na, thank you. Okay na, thank you. Thank you. Okay na. Okay na tayo.
Para hindi speculation.
Okay na tayo.
Ganun lang, live lang ako. Magandang araw po, Dwight De Leon para sa Rappler. We just heard Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano. Again, ito yung pangalawang pagharap niya sa media ngayong araw. Humarap siya kanina, pero briefly lang. Pero ang sabi niya kanina, mamaya pa siya sasagot ng tanong. So ito yung pangalawang pagharap niya sa media, pero hindi pa rin niya sinagot yung mga tanong patungkol sa status ni Senator Bato de la Rosa dahil haharap daw siya ulit sa ikatlong pagkakataon mamaya pagkatapos siyang makipag-meeting sa iba pang mga government officials. Pero kanina sa press briefing, ang kanyang subject ay ang impeachment ni Vice President Sara Duterte sapagkat na i-transmit na nga po ng House of Representatives dito sa Senado ang articles of impeachment laban kay VP Sara. Ang kinumpirma ni Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano ay magko-convene ang Senado bilang impeachment court sa May 18. Sa pagkipag-usap daw niya sa majority ay wala naman daw objections patungkol dito at kung silang 13 sa majority ang masusunod ay walang nagsasabing ayaw matuloy ang paglilitis laban kay VP Sara Duterte. Sinabi rin ni SP Cayetano na mayroon daw coup attempts laban sa kanya, may mga nangungumbinse sa kanilang 13 na lumipat ng panig. Isa pa po sa mga nabanggit patungkol dito sa press briefing, although hindi niya sabi niya hindi siya tatanggap ng mga sagot o mga tanong patungkol sa nagganap kagabing shooting dito sa Senado. Ang kanyang ini-insist ay hindi niya security guards niya ang nagpaputok. Fake news daw po iyon. Gusto niya rin na pumapayag din siya sa joint investigation, independent investigation. Yan po ang kanyang napag-agrihan sa pagitan nila ni Interior Secretary John Vic Remulla. In-acknowledge din niya yung mga allegations na gawa-gawa daw o fabricated or staged yung naging palitan ng putok dito sa Senado kagabi. Sabi niya ongoing pa rin ang investigation at ini-insist niya na hindi ito diversionary tactic ng Senado para hayaang maka-escape si Senator Bato de la Rosa. Na again, hindi pa kino-confirm ni SP Cayetano kung ano nga ba ang status ni Senator Bato, pero sabi ng ating source kanina ay nakaalis na po ng Senado si Senator Bato kagabi after ng komosyon dito sa Senado. Yan po ang latest mula dito sa Senado. Babalik po tayo mamaya para sa ikatlong pagharap sa media ni SP Cayetano. Ako po si Dwight De Leon para sa Raptor.